Yeah, this one actually looks really good. So if anybody is interested in some crypto coins, this one looks primed to take off. This is a really good find. I think the trade here is obvious, right? If this is your W zone, and we assume the W is basically like that, conservatively, it should go up to 870 area, at least to the previous high. Route USDT. Oh, look at that weekly chart. Nice pullback and a nice, looks like in a nice buying zone here. Yeah, 786. So normally 786 and 886 is where I like to buy. So it's in a great area. Good call there, Chris. And you've got a 7 and 8. Yeah, this one actually looks really good. So if anybody is interested in some crypto coins, this one looks primed to take off. This is a really good find. I think the trade here is obvious, right? If this is your W zone, and we assume the W is basically like that, conservatively, it should go up to 870 area, at least to the previous high. Or we can even use fibs, and we can say this is the high and this is the low, same as, and our target is up here at 786, and that's where we take profit, 786 and 8.47. Nice trade. What is the risk reward on this one? Few longs right here. Your stop below these lows. So your target up here at around 780. 6 to 1 risk reward ratio. I would take that every day of the week. That's a great trade. Really like that. I said in the public brief that I would look at the total. Yeah, total sometimes provides more actionable data. So right now, up only still. 3 days the same. Weekly, up only. But you did have a breakdown on the 8 hour. See that? With that breakdown. That was your reversal point. And you can see how it's still pushing lower. So there's your little bit of a red flag with that lower push on the 8 hour. So do be careful, because this is not, it's not like you're springboarding from here. You're at a big resistance level, which if I actually reverse this, it shouldn't be that way. You're at 61.8 of the entire range. See this? I drew this off the entire range from the bottom back in 2019 up to the top. If I do a weekly, it'll look more clear up to the top, which should actually be there. And you can see how we keep stopping at these important levels. Here's 38.2, you should have 50%, and here's 61.8. We're just dead on at 61.8. The question is, do we go to 78.6, which is your real, that's really the zone where you want to be shorting, or do we stop here? Is this it? And I don't really have that answer, but it's looking like, from what I can see here on a 3-day, it could be 61.8 could be all she wrote. I mean, it is $2 trillion market cap level. So that's a BFRN. That's slightly concerning, the fact that we're at that level and having some issues. But we could just sit here, consolidate, play in the zone before we go to the next zone. That's what I see with the total. Okay, Valis asked for Loom. We'll look at that. I was going to do a couple of my names, but so same thing, where the 3-day is looking pretty bullish. Same with the weekly. With the daily, we had our breakout. Now it's just about maintaining the level above this trend line and avoiding forming any kind of divergence. So I could see this heading higher. The question is how high? Well, in this one, I kind of like to use fibs and look at the fibs. Although this is kind of ridiculous. I'm not even going to do that. This run for Loom is absurd. There's not even a W. I will look at the weekly then. That's all I've got, I think. So even if it goes to 61.8, that's a triple actually. 61.8 to 786. They're nice areas. You get basically a triple on this, even if you took it from here. The question is, what is your risk management plan? If you took the long right here and you set your stop below this low wick, and your target was this 61.8 level, then you're at a 4.7 to 1 risk reward. In some cases, you might even just want to take this, and that's still 126% return. You hit the 50% level. Yeah, not bad at all.